As you can see, today and through the rest of the week, we'll be out of the kitchen enjoying the great outdoors. And it seems like every time I go camping, I ask myself, why don't they do this more often? To me, the best parts of camping are having a chance to reconnect to nature, sitting around a campfire, and of course, eating. And just because we're roughing it doesn't mean we shouldn't eat well. So let me share with you how easy these sticky country ribs are to throw together. We start with some country style ribs that are seasoned with some salt and pepper. You see, they're a lot meatier than traditional ribs and cook up more like a pork chop. Now, while those cook, we mix together some barbecue sauce, sweet and sour sauce, and a bit of hot sauce. After our ribs cook for a few minutes on each side, we slather them with our tangy sauce. When these come off the grill and we serve them with some corn on the cob, get ready for some good eating. And just because they're great for camping, don't think for a minute that you can't make them at home. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our Camper's Country Ribs. Let me tell you, this is a far cry from what I ate when I was a kid camping. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, looking for more back to nature ways for you to say, ooh, it's so good.